Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best party tents that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Easy Pop-Up Wedding Party Tent. Although I gifted this tent to my sibling, I still remember it quite well. I bought it after the embarrassing moment that saw my beautiful tent rip as if it were a piece of paper. Other than its vibrant blue color and large dimension, I loved this accessory because it was easy to set up and also bring down. In fact, I only needed an extra person to do this. This tent also provided good shelter against the sun, rain. It can hold in place safely thanks to its sturdy frames. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Outdoor Wedding Party Tent. My neighbor happens to own this tent, and I can confidently say that it's among the roomiest tents I've seen around. However, despite its large size, it folds to a very tiny size and is also easy to carry. Just like the fabric, the steel tubes frame is also tough and light. Setting up this tent and its accessory is a breeze and can easily be accomplished by 2 people. Also, there is no need to fear the sunlight thanks to its fabric that comes with UV protection. At number 3, we have the 10x10 Canopy Party Tent. This red canopy tent is loved for many reasons. 1. Many people, including myself, love its simplicity that makes setting up very simple. Also, it took my neighbor and me less than 10 minutes to assemble it. 2. The fabric, though lightweight, is very tough. 3. It's very versatile, and that's why it can be seen at parks, weddings, garage sales, flea markets, arts and crafts shows, bake sales, picnics, camping, and many other outdoor events. I also noticed that it does a good job of keeping water and moisture out even in wet conditions. At number 2, we have the 10 feet by 10 feet Instant Shelter Pop-Up Canopy Tent. I got curious about this tent after hearing about the Core H2O block technology. And from my personal experience, I can tell you that this tent has excellent weather protection. Furthermore, the canopy material may be light but can withstand the elements and is perfect for most seasons. It also has good ventilation that keeps the occupants cool even on the hot days. Lastly, this pop-up tent can be assembled in less than 2 minutes and has very good UV protection. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pop-Up Canopy Tent 10 by 10 feet Party Tent. I have always been a fan of the Punchow brand, and I have come across many types while attending weddings, trade fairs, picnics, garage sales, art and craft exhibitions, and other events. While most were good, this black tent was exceptional. Furthermore, it offered a nice shelter even in the hot sun, was very waterproof, and was simple to set up. I also love its sturdy design and versatility that makes it ideal for many applications. Its low-profile design makes folding and carrying easy. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.